Mattel's iconic Barbie doll is celebrating her 60th birthday this year. Yeah, the Barbie doll is 60 years old. And true story, in celebration of this milestone, a Hilton hotel has transformed one of their suites into the ultimate Barbie experience. This is a real thing. Yes. Yes. I don't know what that reaction means. That was the sound of a pancake deflating. Well, it's a real thing, and they're now open for bookings. You can get this ultimate Barbie suite if you want it, and we are the only show that has footage, exclusive footage, of the newlywed couple that was lucky enough to be the room's very first guest. We have the footage. Take a look.
Are you ready for your ultimate Barbie experience?
Oh my God.
Yeah, right? That is Barbie's dream camper, built to the same exact specifications as her real camper. Everything in this room is completely authentic to Barbie's world.
Completely authentic?
Completely authentic. Have a great night.
Totally authentic! Oh. Yes! Barbie!
Thank you, Barbie!
Make your Barbie dreams come true at Hilton tonight.